Let's talk about the first mental tool I'm going to introduce. It is called InstaAware. And this tool is the most important tool that is out there, and it must be used in conjunction with other mental tools that I'm going to introduce. InstaAware. The name comes from the phrase instant awareness. This tool has a great functionality, that is to help you notice and identify small, subtle changes in your emotions, feelings, behaviors, thoughts, and so on. This tool is so critical that it sets the foundation for any type of personal change. For example, some people don't realize that they are fidgeting when they are talking to people. Some don't realize that they feel angry over a certain word. And in order to change, the very first step is to know what type of behavior that is unfavorable to oneself and thus needs to be changed. And InstaAware helps you notice what needs to be changed in your own behaviors, reactions, emotions, and so on. Now, how do we acquire it? It's very easy. Whenever you notice a change in your emotions, feelings, or behaviors, then consciously tell yourself that you noticed these changes. Afterwards, keep a written journal of whatever happened. A prime example. This morning, I noticed I felt angry when the driver behind me honked at me. So by doing all of this, you have successfully practiced and executed this mental tool that is called InstaAware. And you must repeat this process as much as possible. And over time, it will become a second nature so that no changes can bypass your conscious awareness. And once you're able to do this, congratulations, you have successfully possessed this mental tool. Now, let's recap a little bit. And remember, there are 3 steps to use this tool. The first step is that whenever and wherever in your life you notice a change in your feelings, your emotions, your behaviors, etc., then you move on to the second step, which is consciously tell yourself that you feel something, you notice something. This is so important, the second step. And the third step is afterwards, let's say at the end of the day, you write this down in your journal and keep a written journal of all the changes you notice throughout the day and repeat this process over and over and over again. Because with repetition over time, your InstaAware will be sharpened and it will be more advanced. And the more advanced it becomes, the more subtle changes you can notice. And that wraps up this video of the series. In the upcoming videos, I will introduce more mental tools which are used in conjunction with InstaAware. So keep practicing InstaAware. I will see you in the next videos.